Hi, my name is Christy Cooks. I'm a registered nurse. I'm also a former patient of Dr. John Lipman, who is an interventional radiologist in Smyrna, Georgia. He has been my interventional radiologist for a little over a year. I suffered from fibroids. Okay, I want to go in a little deeper about having uterine fibroid embolization, known as UFE. When I had my procedure, again, I did not know what to 100% expect, but I will say this. When I got on the table and I got ready to go home, the incision site was less than about a half an inch in my groin site. I went home with a Band-Aid. I know in my heart that this was the right decision for me, because UFE, it changed my life completely from spiritually, physically, and just every aspect of my life. Now I'm able to be an incredible witness. I bear witness to this, that, having fibroid embolization does work and it changes your life. I am post-op next week, November the 3rd, will be 1 year. And I thank God. I know that Dr. John Lipman is not God, but I'm like, hail to Dr. John Lipman. And, I love him to death, and I thank God for putting him in my life, and if I can encourage any woman that has fibroids to try this, or at least come get the consultation, I will, because it has changed my life completely. The months go by, it gets better and better. I went from wearing 4 different things during my cycle to wearing what I call kitty kid junior pads. So I feel good. I've graduated with my white pants. So I am truly honored. I am. I would recommend Dr. Lipman's office, his entire staff, to women, because you're going to feel you're in a safe place and someone really cares, and you're given hope, and it's that support system that just really helps you get through the healing process, and not just from the UFE, uterine fibroid embolization, but emotional healing. And it brings tears to my eyes a little bit, and I don't care if y'all, film this, just knowing what I went through, knowing the embarrassment, knowing the shame, and knowing that, God, am I going to die from this, and knowing that I still had my kids to take care of, because at the time, and I still am, they're grown now, but I was a single mother, and just seeing my mother and me being the only child, seeing her look in my eyes and like, you're the only child that God, it's got to be some help for you. You got to see about yourself. You got to take that time to make sure you're all right, no matter what the cost is, no matter what who you got to go to. You need to take care of yourself. And just knowing that it was just like a right on time. It's like Dr. Lipman just basically fell out of the sky. And I know that he is definitely heaven sent, and I thank God for him and his staff. And I'm forever grateful. I am.